All right, and hey everybody. Um, yeah, it's gonna be a quick video on replacing the PlayStation 5's, well, not even replacing. Oh God, I just tapped the camera. On putting a hard drive into your PS5. What we're gonna go with is the FireCuda 530. Hopefully you guys can see that there. If not, well, oh yeah. If not, yeah, there you go. FireCuda 530. That's what we're popping in there. All right. First thing first, take the stand off your PS5 if your stand was on yours. Mine's was obviously on mine. Luckily now, in some of these later models, you can just twist it off and not have any issues. And you wanted to have the PS logo, PlayStation logo should be like down this way. All right, so if you have a non-disc version, PS logo down, disc version, PS logo down, disc facing up, basically. All right. All right, I've watched a lot of videos on this. Let's see if I know what the hell I'm doing. We're going with a 2 terabyte drive because the 4 terabyte is expensive as hell. And games in general are expensive as hell now, so who's to say I'm going to actually put that many games on the drive? There it is, dear FireCuda. There you go, FireCuda. Let's not lose this. Now they say all I have to do is lift here and push. Oh, they were right. They were right. That is literally all you have to do. Okay, that's the cover. Don't want to lose that. Drive looks like it got scuffed or something. This is where our little, oh great, something fell out. We have to get this out of here, right? You got to take this cover off and put in our drive. So obviously we need a screwdriver. Now, which bit we need? Let's find out. Too big. That's what she said. All right. Fits perfectly. All right, let's not lose that screw. Let's lift this plate up. All right. And there you see the screw and standoff that we have to use to line this up. Apparently this is like an 80. Should be at the 80 millimeter mark. So we got to get this screw up. To get that standoff out. Let's not lose you. Damn, that's a little ass standoff. Oh, damn. What the hell? My finger's too fat for this. So I'll just put that right there. Get the FireCuda out. Get that FireCuda. And we just want to apparently just sit that down there. All right. Or I'm scared to push down on this thing. Okay, well, I can't be scared because it worked. This little standoff is annoying. Here we go. That goes there. Then we just want to. This is why magnetic screwdrivers are the GOAT. Apparently this is supposed to lock you down. Can you move? No, you can't. All right, I think we did it. That's 2 terabytes of power right there. Of power. Storage. Why did I say power? It's just storage. All right, let's put her back together. Oh, look at me. Oh, God. All right. Apparently, even an idiot can do it. Okay. Let's see if this idiot can put his cover on without scratching everything. I think I did it. Yep, I think I did it. I think it's on there. All right, let's just put our stand back on. Do I want to sit you flat? Stand you up? I don't even know. I think I'm going to stand you back up. Dust off my stand. All right, where's that screw? Just going to tip you over a little bit here. All right. We didn't break the PlayStation, I don't think. All right. There we go. Supposed to be 2 terabytes of power. Okay, and as you can see, it's working. SSD installed. I got a few games still on the main hard drive, and I split that off and put a lot of the key games on the SSD. All right, bye everybody.